Welcome to Flash Tutorial Saucer Game Over. It's a follow-up to the Flash Tutorial Saucer Attack Part 5, which I have opened on my computer. I have the Actions panel open, and I want to start by putting in a variable here that's going to allow us to count how many of the spaceships been hit on level 2. Type. VAR hit count, capital H, capital C, L2 colon number equals 0 semicolon, and down here, down the page, when these ships are hit, right here, when this one here gets hit, if the saucer hits it, I need this to be L2, copy that L2, right click, copy it, there's 4 of these, click here, paste it in, come down here, click here, paste it in, and one more, come down here and paste it in. To prevent the hit count for the level 1 from continuing, click here at the top of the page again. I'm on this same frame 20, the same one we're just on. Put a couple enters, and we want HIT, hit, CNT to equal 0 semicolon. Down at the bottom, way down when we shoot all these right here, when hit count, this is actually going to be hit count 2, doesn't it? Because I'm on the second frame. So here, hit count 2, L2, when it equals 4, I want to say go to and stop level, and I'm going to make a level called over, O-V-E-R. So let's just copy that word over. Right click, copy it. Go back to the timeline. Select this one right here, this keyframe. Open the properties panel and paste that in. Select the laser layer. Insert a layer. Call it over. O-V-E-R, as in game over. Select this frame, this last frame here, this very one here. Insert a keyframe. Up here, pick up your text tool. Open the properties panel. Make sure static is selected. I'm picking the color gold, and I have a font size, well, it's actually a point size, I think it's pixels, of 47. Let's make a big square and write all caps G-A-M-E, game over, O-V-E-R. If we just pull that here, it'll enter, you win, Y-O-U-W-I-N, and let's just center that you win. Open the properties panel, click this embed here, upper, lower, numerals, punctuation, okay. Let's test it again this time. Okay, let's shoot them. Shoot them. Shoot them. There we go. And this time should say game over, you win. I think that's enough for this short tutorial. Just want to look and check a couple things out. On my actions layer here, I wanted to make sure I got this at the very top where I made made that number, yeah. And down here at the bottom, yes, I want to show you something. Control, test, movie, test. I'll shoot these all, see if I can simulate this. Problem. I'm only going to shoot 2. Let them hit. It will start over. All I gotta do now is shoot 2 and it goes to game over, because I gotta reset that counter. So go right back to the top of this action script. I'm on this frame 20 and it's this one here. Copy this name, right click, copy, come way down the bottom, come down here to where if any of them hit the bottom of the stage and it starts over, paste in that name and tell it to equal 0 semicolon. Now when if I only shoot 2 and start again, it'll go back to 0. Okay, I'll simulate what I just did, killing them all here. Now I want to kill just one more here. Now when I come back to before, because my count's 2 now, and now it's resetting back to 0 right now, so just shooting 2 of them won't start the game up. See, I have to shoot all 4. Okay, I think that's enough for this short tutorial. I'm thinking about doing a follow-up. If I do, it'll be called Flash Tutorial More Ships. Hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learned.